Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. I don't know for sure, but I have yet to see anybody make a sloppy Steven. With all the stuff Uncle Steve has done for the barbecue community, and nobody's made a sloppy Steven? Are you serious? We're gonna correct that today. Now, if you've done one, barbecue family, I apologize. Hey, let me know. I'll put it down in the description. But until then, we're gonna correct that situation, and that's what we're doing today. Not an ordinary sloppy Joe. We're gonna do a sloppy Steven. So, hang tight. Okay, you see, I've got my onions and my peppers cut up. Bacon. What more puts everything over the top than using bacon? Okay? Now, when we were kids, Mama used to open that can and pour all that in there. Well, we're gonna do so much better than that. Okay. Let's put our bacon down first. Love that sizzle. Okay, well, I wanna move this over a little bit. This side's a little bit cooler. And I'm gonna dump my onions in. And let's add the peppers. Man, wish you could smell these aromatics. Okay, these are softened up good. Let's move them over here to the cooler side. Next, it's time to throw in our meat. This is about 2 pounds of 80/20. Something I prefer. Now, if you haven't got one of these in your kitchen, one of these, you need to get one. Actually, my daughter came up with this one some time ago, and I've been using it, and I'm gonna tell you, for doing this, you just can't beat it. You wanna break up hamburger meat, ground meat of any kind, this is the tool right here. All right, as we start to get this broken up like this, I'm gonna add some seasoning. So, what am I gonna use? This is Smoke Bomb. This is Uncle Steve's shake. I'm gonna pour some of that out, just like that. And for a second layer, I'm gonna add, this is South Texas Red, another one of my favorites. It's got some pepper flakes in it. Once we start getting this broken up good, I want to mix it in good. All right, this is Lea and Perrins. We're gonna add about a tablespoon and a half. I like Lea and Perrins. You want to call that 2 tablespoons, all right. You add it to your taste. And I'm just gonna keep breaking this up. Now, you don't have a Blackstone, Camp Chef, griddle of any kind, it's okay. Use the cast iron pan. You can cook every bit of this in the house on cast iron. It'll taste just as good. Don't have cast iron? Hey, use what you got. This doesn't have to be expensive. And if you remember when we were kids, I don't think Mama went out on the griddle. Mine didn't, maybe yours did. Okay, we've got our meat broken up pretty good. Let's take our bacon. We'll put our bacon in it. Let's put our peppers and our onions in it. Next, we're gonna add about half a can of tomato paste. Let's get this mixed in pretty good. Okay, last 2 ingredients. Ketchup, that's about probably 4 tablespoons right there, maybe. And mustard, about 2. Mix it in. And all the syrup and sugar and all of that stuff that's in that can sloppy joe, not in this. I'm gonna put it in this little half catering pan here. Oh, this smells so good. I'm not gonna say it. Just gonna tell you I can smell it and you can't. All right, let's go to the table. Okay, just a little trick here. Just a little bit of cooking oil on the bread. Both sides, put it down on the griddle. All right, let's check them. Oh yeah. Yep. That's a pretty little toast. Yep. Yep. All right. Okay. Well, it's time to put these boys together here. Let's get a man-sized scoop here. You know we're not gonna underdo it when we start building this sloppy Stephen. There's one. Oh, this smells so good. Can't wait to try it. I know. This is gonna be over the top on a regular sloppy joe. All right, there you have it. Okay, only one thing left to do. Look, I really do wish you were here. I'd let you try it. Since you're not, I'm going in. Oh my goodness. The Uncle Steve shake. My goodness. Over the top. The bacon over the top. Cooked on the skillet over the top. I don't know what to tell you. This is a sloppy Steven, and you can't beat it. Hey, if you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe, like the video if you got something out of it. Hey, I'll have another video for you, just you, right here. Okay, just you. If you haven't already, go to www.unclesteveshake.com, order you some. You'll never regret that you did it. Until next time, hang tight.